Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can drop shipping with AI. So with AI help, all you have to do now, you can open Glitching.ai. So here we go. Get 50% off your first month of Glitching. So enter your email below and Glitching will send you a special saving discount. So here you can start drop shipping with AI, get your first sale or your money back. So this is a Shopify partners. But here we go. This is for example product finder, store builder, ad finder, then A to Z courses. So there is a tutorial like drop shipping course. Learn A to Z of drop shipping with the glitching course. And here we go. You can click to get started. How to start AI drop shipping and actually make money online. So here you can learn about this web, learn about the AI, like how to make money online with AI dropshipping. And if you click get started, you need to sign in with your account, and there is a price about it. So here we go. There is a light one. You can this is perfect for getting started, like product finder unlimited, AI features, 10 credits per week, drop shipping course access. But you don't have access to limited Discord access, weekly mentorship calls, website reviews, ad reviews, and glitching fault access, and so on. There is unlimited and the premium. So this is the yearly. There's light, unlimited, and also premium. So here and also there is AI store builder. So you can create a Shopify store for dropshipping using AI. So this is the resources like affiliate program and so on. So feel free to try. Start dropshipping with AI using glitching.ai. Get your for sale or your money back. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also click the button below. See you in the next video.